Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get your Bitcoin address from Coinbase. First, log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Receive option, usually found on the main dashboard or in your portfolio section. Click on this to proceed. Next, you'll need to select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies presented. This ensures you generate the correct address for your Bitcoin transactions. After selecting Bitcoin, your unique Bitcoin address will appear on the screen. This is a long string of letters and numbers. You'll also see a QR code, which is a convenient way for others to scan and send you Bitcoin. To use the address, simply click the Copy button. This action places the address onto your clipboard, ready for pasting into another application or website. It's crucial to always double-check the Bitcoin address before initiating any transaction. Sending Bitcoin to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of your funds. Remember, Bitcoin addresses are specific. Never send other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum to a Bitcoin address. Stay vigilant against phishing attempts and only use official Coinbase channels to access your account. To further secure your Bitcoin, enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. For larger holdings, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet, which offers enhanced offline security. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Protecting your assets is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.